This is the gift of being a human being, is the ability to experience yourself as truth, as love, as compassion.
Okay, so you've got a book. This is all part of one book, right? Everything you see is one book. This is not right or wrong, it's just one perspective. This is not right or wrong, it is just another perspective. Okay, and ultimately they're all part of one book. Even though they're completely the opposite side, the one could be white and the other one could be black. It's just two different sides of the same book. Then you also have the side here, which is like, it's not really black or white, it's gray. And that's kind of like the interconnecting point between these two. You see all of them and they're all right. They're not wrong. They're just different perspectives. Okay. So now we've gone into 3 dimensions already. Now, 4th dimensions is going from above, going, okay, I see this, and see this. And there's a space between me and the book. That's another perspective. The book is separate from me. I am not the book. I am not right or wrong anymore. I am not black or white. I'm not the gray either. I'm seeing all of it from above, going like, I am that, I am that, and I am that. And they're all true, right, and real at the same time. Okay. Now we're going into smaller rocks. And say, for instance, this is 5th dimension. Now we add time. I'm going, okay, this is me observing the book. It is real. Did this book exist 1,000 years ago? Nope. Will it exist 1,000 years ago from now? Maybe, potentially. Let's say 10,000 years from now. Will this book still exist? Nope. Doesn't even exist. But in this moment now, it is true, right, and real. It exists. And it exists in black and white and gray. And I'm a part of the book or I'm not part of the book. All of those potential realities exist. But now we're also adding time, which means technically none of this exists. Okay, so now we're in 5th dimension. Okay, now we're going beyond that. Okay, we're going into smaller rocks. And you can just keep going and going into smaller parts until you literally fill the rest with sand. Dots everywhere, sand. Now there's no more space, right? Wrong, you can still add water. So you keep adding more and more dimensions